How we doing, ladies and gents, boys and girls? Welcome back to 3 Minute Thursday. My name's Tom Dyer, and today we're going to learn, well, I've showed you this before, and it was the waterfall. It's on one of my old videos, I believe, but I'll go over this one. See, I'm not doing it very well right now, but what we are going to learn is an upgraded version. Yes. Okay. Took me ages to get this. As you can see, I'm still not a super duper pro. But a guy called Toby Hilton and another guy called Lloyd used to perform this move in tandem, and I really like it. So this is how you do it. You're going to hold the bottle. I kind of hold it by the shoulder of the bottle. It's going to come over your hand like this. It's for like a gunsling up. Then you're going to put your other hand in place, and it's going to go down behind your hand. So it's going to do the opposite. Gunsling up, down the other side. Gunsling up, down the other side, okay? But you want to try and get it so it excuse me. You want to try and get it so it waterfalls over your hands. Weirdly enough, I'm super struggling with it right now, but when I get the tin in place, it seems to work a lot better. Now, when you're performing it with the tin, the idea is you're throwing the tin up, so you're throwing the tin up, and as the tin comes up, that one comes over your hand, and then that one comes here, and then you catch the tin in the other hand. So it's, whoops. So it's onto the floor, yes. So it's quite a tricky one to get nailed because you're doing multiple things at the same time. So if you can try and get the waterfall smashed first, better than what I've got, then you're going to be in a much better position to be able to perform the move much more better than what I'm doing. But anyway, once you've got that waterfall nailed, yeah, I'm getting it now, I'm getting it. Okay, then you can start practicing air waterfall. Okay, so you do like air flare, excuse me, air flare. So you're going to try and get that move now, but don't just go. Okay, really try and imagine yourself doing the move. Okay, and then you pick up the bottle and throw it on the floor. You pick up the bottle and you should be able to perform the move a little more better than what I can, but that is it. Just give it a shot for yourself. Let me know how you get on. I hope you get it because I was super struggling with it. One of the tough ones of this series, but that is it for this week. Thank you so much for watching. Until next week, see you then.